Why is everyone buying this automatic incline walking pad? That's what we're going to be covering in today's video. Before I get into the actual features of this, which is one of the nicest walking pads I've reviewed, just to give you context, I have purchased and or been sent over 200 walking pads on Amazon to review. And I've tested them out, unboxed them, reviewed them over the past 3 years. And before I even get into the features, one of the things I liked about this, currently selling, I think over 100 per month already, and it's kind of a newer product. That's really nice because paired with that sales velocity, you have almost 100 4.8 star reviews. So it has an average rating of 4.8 stars. That's kind of unheard of. If you're getting any quantity above 4 stars is usually a really good buy. So the fact that you're getting all the way up to 4.8 gives you a signal that people are purchasing this, excuse me, and really liking it after they do. So I believe those are two of the strongest reasons. Now, the other thing I will tell you, this has a sturdier build and a higher weight capacity than most under the desk walking pads. And that is where I think sets this apart. But it is sturdier, but it's still by no means too heavy. Like you can still pick it up, one person can, and you obviously have wheels on the front. So you are able to wheel it around, store it under a couch, store it against a wall, whatever, under a bed, whatever you need to do. Very versatile and easy that way. If you come up to the display actually just looks really good. It's a very rich display. We'll go ahead and start it, but you can kind of see, go that way so they can see it. Yeah. So you can kind of see this is a much more rich LED display that you're just able to see what's going on. You got calories, distance, speed. It's going to go between, and then you got your incline. So another thing about this is we have incline. First thing I'll show, I will go up to max speed. You do go up to 4 miles per hour, which is more than you're getting on a lot of the under the desk models. Some of them you're only able to get up to like 2.5. So this gives you a much higher vibe. But what really sets this apart, in my opinion, if you step back a little bit, I'm going to show the incline. And what's great about this is goes all the way up to a 12% grade, and it's automatic. I'm running this from the remote right here, and now we're burning calories faster. So this is the remote, super easy to use. This is speed up and down. This is incline up and down there, and then this is the start and stop button. So I'm gonna go ahead and stop it there. That's how easy it is to use, but another couple cool things about it, you can actually hook this up to your Bluetooth, and you actually have speakers on it, and there's a mute button even on here. So you can run audio through this from your phone if you hook Bluetooth up to your phone, which is really cool. But you can also download an app, I think it's called Fit Show, and it gives you the ability to do different workouts, challenges, track your workouts, track your weight, all that kind of stuff. It's just a lot more versatility than you typically find. To me, the build of this is just very nice. I even like the look of it. I've tested out a lot. Many of them are just plain black. This has kind of a sleeker, more like silver gray kind of look to it, and I just really like it. It came very well boxed, very easy to get out of the box and get running very quickly. That's another thing I really like about it. There was nothing complex about this, very user-friendly, very intuitive and easy to use. Hundreds of people are buying this, almost 100 4.8 star reviews. This is a higher caliber walking pad than just your run-of-the-mill budget walking pad. And that's what I think sets this apart. You're still getting an incredible value. When I'm looking at the number on the product page, to me, the sturdiness of this build and the automatic incline and how fast it is, I could easily picture this going for at least 2 times more than the number you're paying for it. In my opinion, this is probably the perfect walking pad for the average person. It's not quite budget, but it's not quite super up there. This is the one to go with.